I can feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. And now please don't let this feeling end. It might not come again, and I want to remember how it feels to touch you, how I feel so much since I looking through the eyes of love.